Hello everybody and good afternoon. Today I am headed out. I got to do some errands, but in the process we're going by the supercharger in the southeast side of Nashville. Also going to stop by the Electrify America. We're going to monitor for a little while the actual activity. It's just want to make that 1 p.m. I would imagine people are still charging there. We're going to watch them for 15 or 20 minutes each and just see how busy they are. And then I'm off to the depot. We're heading to the supercharger in the southeast of the city. Got to wind my way through all of the
James Robertson Parkway exit on the right.
All the roads here. Just 1 a.m. or make that 1 p.m. And I think most people are working, at least I hope. Just making our way through Nashville here to get onto the appropriate roads here. It's a really screwy road here.
Turn left onto Interstate Drive.
We're almost to the
Now
downtown,
turn left onto Interstate Drive.
but we have to go this way. The stadium and all that stuff is right here, so. This is par for the course here, right at the gore point between 24 and 40. We're going to stay on 24, it looks like, heading towards the south. And once we get through downtown, it opens up a little bit here. We're now south of Interstate 40 on 24. This will take us almost to the supercharger if we eyeball it here. Not far. Yeah, it's not too difficult. If you're traveling east and west on 40, you want to stop here,
Now
it's not
keep
bad.
right to take Briley Parkway.
It's in a shopping center up here on the right.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto East Thompson Lane.
Yep, supercharger's just right here. It's right next to Interstate 24. There's a shopping center, and the Electrify America is supposed to be on this side of it. We'll stop there a little later. First stop will be the supercharger at Tesla.
Turn right onto Willowbrook Drive.
Our first stop will be the Tesla supercharger
Now
here.
turn right onto Willowbrook Drive.
And we're going to see exactly what's going on here. Let's see if I can park into a spot where we can see the activity. Again, it is...
Now your destination is on the right.
It is... I'll just do this. Just pull it in right here. And then we got a good view of what's going on. Whack the tires here. And our job today is just check activity. I think I got a decent view. The whole idea of checking the activity today is just to make sure that the relative times it takes for Tesla people to charge. Drive in, how easy is it to plug in, and how long generally they stay. I'm going to run a time lapse now. Probably run about 20 minutes, and then we're going to go over to the Electrify America, which happens to be, I think, very close to here, and we'll run the same thing. So let's get set up. Survey is done. Shout out to Steve and Steve, the surveyors here. I'll tell you, he didn't tell me specifically, but I put two and two together. They're actually doing a survey to expand the supercharger here in Nashville. As you can see from my time lapse, that this station is nonstop busy, and it's pretty wild, but I think their plans are to expand it. And the survey team actually is here. There was also another guy here that you saw in the yellow. He was checking for buried water for the fire hydrant. So anytime you do any maintenance, you have to do a 811 survey. Make sure you're not going to dig up a pipe or a wire. All right, let's head over to the Electrify America and see what's going over there. Yeah, just on the other side of the shopping center here, according to the map, is the EA station. I think from looking at the EA app, it looks like it's maybe an 8-stall, but we'll find out here. This is pretty easy to access shopping center here. Oh, good. Guess that's how you drive around here. All right. Let's see, where would it be? I think it's over here, according to the map. Let's see. There's a white picket fence over there. I don't know. I don't think it's over there. Might be. Let's see. Maybe it's way over here in the corner. Maybe I'm driving. Oh, yep. Absolutely. Here it is, the EA station. Oh, how am I going to set up to do this? Yeah, I think I can. Looks like there is a EV6 here charging, and I think I'll do the same. I'll see if I can park right here. As you might imagine, there may not be as many customers here at the EA station as there is at the Tesla across the parking lot. That's okay. All right, we're here. We've got one customer, and it's 2, 4, 6, 8 stalls here. I'm going to set up my camera, and we'll see what we can do. I think I'm going to set it up inside of the car, so we'll see how that goes. Well, there you go. That's 45 minutes here at the EA station, and I'm headed to Home Depot. And this gal in the blue Mach-E, I don't know if she's leaving or not, but I'm out of here. It's been an interesting survey here of the activity at EA. All right, let's head on to Home Depot. Heading to Home Depot here now. And got to pick up a few things and then head back to the house. It was an interesting survey for sure. I spent 40 minutes at the Tesla supercharger, and I spent 45 minutes plus a minute or two at the EA charger. Just leaving the Home Depot. Yeah. Now we're headed back towards the supercharger. Navigation wants me
Now turn left onto Powell Avenue.
Navigation wants to take me downtown around Interstate 24 and all the traffic. Yeah, I'm not up for that. We're going to do a little sightseeing tour. We're going to take the long way around on Highway, I think it's 155 or 55. And it's 10 minutes to 4, so I imagine the traffic is going to get pretty busy. Was able to get what I needed at Home Depot, and plus additional stuff. My wife called and said we needed a few things, which we got. So all is good. I think I may still be at Home Depot with the selection of all kinds of lights of every kind, shape, and size, and brightness, and everything. Wow. This is under a underpass under the railroad. How about that? Well, I live in the country. We don't see stuff like this every day, so you get a video of it. Some guy playing a tuba in that underpass. Wow. Yep, we're going to take the side streets instead of going up this way where we're going. We're going all the way up 155, all the way up and around Nashville here. Hopefully we'll miss a lot of this. We're back here at the supercharger location on East Thompson Lane, and we're going to continue right up on 155 up and around. Well, here you go. Here's the reason we're messed up. Somebody pranged in the ditch here. It looks like we're going to have to, they're everywhere. Come on, buddy. Get over here, thank you. This is the guy that pranged him. I don't get it, but whatever. Yeah, we're moving finally. Just crossed over Interstate 24. We'll follow this around till we get close to our destination. I'll turn on the nav. I've re-enabled navigation to the house, and the navigation is taking us the normal route, and when I come from the east, come up 155. It works out real well this way. We're getting close to home now. Wow, it was an interesting day going down to the supercharger and then the EA station. It was kind of an eye-opener. And a little spoiler alert, I was sitting there for 40 minutes at Tesla's supercharger. I met Steve and Steve, two guys that were going to be surveying the area for an expansion of the supercharger. Now, I don't know when this is going to happen, but it's certainly needed. As you can tell from watching the video, the station is very busy. It was holding its own pretty well. There was one car, a red one on the very end. She unplugged it, climbed in the back seat for 10 minutes, and left parked there. And she finally got out, went in the front seat, messed around for another 5 or whatever, and then drove away. Meanwhile, I think somebody could have been charging. You know, it'd really been the way to go. But in any case, it was pretty full supercharger. And the EA station was only 3 people that I saw. An EV6, what is it, i3, one of the early BMWs, and a Mach-E came to charge. So it was interesting, no matter how you roll it. If you like today's runaround video, give me a like, and if you would, because you know there's more stuff coming, please subscribe. You know I'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Look for the upcoming videos, and take care.